equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have the right tools, a screwdriver, lubricant, and a clean cloth. First, unplug the Silvercrest SKMC 1200 for safety. Next, remove the screws on the motor cover. Keep them in a safe place. Once the cover is off, inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. Use the cloth to clean the area thoroughly. This step is crucial for optimal performance. Now, apply the lubricant to the moving parts of the motor. Be careful not to overdo it. A little goes a long way. After lubricating, replace the motor cover and secure it with the screws. If you're unsure about the process, remember, you can always get a professional diagnosis without obligation. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so no calls, no travel. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your appliance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.